No matter where you went, this storm certainly left plenty of snow.
And in every direction. Outside Boston, people saw nearly 2 feet of snow. Gary Brode is live in Bridgewater, which was one of the areas that got hit the hardest. Gary?
Yeah, we were expecting anywhere between 18 to 24 inches, and we got it. I personally measured about 18 inches in one spot, official readings of about 20 inches in other spots around the town. But, of course, we're here at Route 24 right now because we want to show you what's going on with the traffic. And as we pan over, you can see there's really not a single snowflake on the ground, but that was not the case earlier today. Crews working into the night, improving on what was some treacherous travel.
Nothing. You can see nothing.
We took this video on Route 24 around 2 this afternoon. About 7 hours later, a lot has changed. Those rough roads forcing many truckers to pull off.
You better know when to get off.
The rest stop on Route 24 in Bridgewater looking like a semi-truck graveyard.
And they're in the same situation, no freight.
Residential roads were just as bad. Here in West Bridgewater, a branch taking down a power line. Bridgewater police saying they received several calls for similar situations throughout the day, causing hundreds of homes to be in the dark. And just down the road, this home was also without power. One of the occupants of the home left his candle burning, and a fire started. Another occupant was sent to the hospital, but is expected to be okay. And despite the clear roads, officials are still telling people to stay home if you don't have to travel. We were talking about power outages in the surrounding communities. About 5,000 homes right now are in the dark. We do have a list of places that you or a loved one could go get shelter. Just go to cbsboston.com. We are here in Bridgewater. Gary Brode, WBZ News.
Gary, thank you.